How to make pigs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket are delicious and easy to make. Here's how. What you need: 1 can of Pillsbury wiener wraps and 4 to 6 wieners. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Open the can of dough by unwrapping the wrapper and pressing firmly on the seam of the can. Step 3. Carefully unroll the dough. Step 4. Place an uncooked wiener on the dough and roll it up. Step 5. Place the wieners on a cookie sheet and bake for 16 minutes. Serve on their own or with mustard or ketchup, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for more tasty recipes every week. Bye for now.